Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let the entire world be happy. Hi, hello, namaste, and welcome to Indian Travel Diaries. And in this video, I am taking you guys to an amazing temples here in USA. One is Sri Mahalakshmi Devi Temple in Colorado and Hanuman Temple in New Mexico, Taos. I am super excited to show you guys these places because I was perplexed to witness such worship of Indian gods and goddesses as per strictly defined Indian rituals over the chanting of mantras in US, but the experience was overwhelming. The entire temple is managed by Americans, say from puja to cooking Indian food. Yes, you heard it right. These temples have American priests and they follow our Indian traditions in a day to day manner. So come with me to spend a day in these places. Our first stop will be Crestone Mahalakshmi Devi Temple, located at the foothills of the mountains with a water stream running close by. Therefore, offers a very calm and serene environment. The distance to the temple is typically 200 miles from Denver via US 285 highway, which is considered as one of the beautiful scenic drives of Colorado. You will experience a peaceful drive surrounded by mountains. So, we are just 1 mile away from the ashram. Driving through the countryside, you will experience this bumpy road. You can take a normal sedan on this road. You don't need a heavy clearance vehicle until it snows or rains badly. Okay, so finally we have reached the ashram after 4 long hours of journey. Due to COVID, it is required to take appointments beforehand. Okay, guys, let's explore the entire ashram and the temple surroundings. Let's go and have darshan. While having darshan, I'll let you know few details about the ashram. Crestone Mahalakshmi Temple is a traditional Hindu temple in Crestone, Colorado, USA. With typical architecture, the interiors of the temple are radiant and peaceful at the same time. The temple is dedicated to goddess Mahalakshmi, the Divine Mother. The idol is made out of a snow marble, which is incredibly sculptured. The temple is a part of the Hailakandi Universal Ashram. The ashram was established in 1986. It is located on 101 acres of land at the base of the beautiful 14,000-foot mountain in southern Colorado, an area sacred to Native Americans because of its divinity. This area is also home to several other spiritual traditions such as Carmelites, Tibetan Buddhists, Sufis, and Zen Buddhists. Jai Mata Di. So we had a beautiful darshan. Now we had an opportunity to explore the surroundings of the ashram. So you can have an opportunity to stay at the ashram. Dormitories are available to stay overnight. There are around 5 rooms and a common restroom separate for men and women. Ashram has a daily schedule which has to be followed if you are planning to stay at the ashram. Let us have a tour of it. Due to COVID, we were not allowed inside the gift shop and in the kitchen, but we had an opportunity to experience their chai and muffins, which was really yummy. Do try visiting this place if you're nearby to Denver and Crestone. So here comes the end of the trip to Crestone Mahalakshmi Devi Temple. I'll provide you guys a location in the description box below. So now we are en route to Taos Hanuman Temple and Neem Karoli Baba Ashram, which is located in New Mexico, which is approximately 290 miles from Denver and around 150 miles from Crestone Mahalakshmi Devi Temple. The route between Denver to Taos is a bit dry if we take I-25, but the route from Crestone to Taos is really beautiful if we take US 285. You will have a couple of scenic spots where you can stop by. One among them is Rio Grande Bridge, which is in the middle of the canyons. We didn't stop here for much time because we had to reach Taos and return back to Denver the same day. After 2 long hours of drive, we finally reached Taos. And whenever we come to this place, we feel like it's some beautiful village back in India, because here almost all the houses are made of bricks, of clay and straw. Finally, we have reached the temple and ashram. Let's have darshan and we can talk more about the temple history. The ashram was a bit crowded because of the new COVID rules in temple. The temple is open from 2 to 5 p.m. Saturdays and Sundays. The rules get updated every now and then. Please do check their website before visiting. You don't need any appointments before visiting. I'll share the website link in the subscription box below. This is the only temple in America dedicated to the great Indian saint Neem Karoli Baba of the last century. It was started in late 70s by Ramdas of Be Here Now fame, his most famous Western devotee. The large flying white marble Hanuman is spectacular and comes from Jaipur, India. It is stated that it was the first Hanuman temple in USA. There are many holiday celebrations and weekly occasions every Sunday. The place is divinely peaceful. There is a small prayer hall with Hindu deities and pictures of the Indian mystic Neem Karoli Baba. There is also small facility for overnight stay. Need to call and book in advance. Temple maintains its own organic farmland and also the kitchen is available to use, strictly vegetarian. Set on beautiful 10 acres with farm and gardens and peacocks and only a 10-minute walk from the historic Taos Town Plaza. I was literally amazed by these people because in spite of being brought up in different culture and tradition from ours, they sang Hanuman Chalisa 108 times with immense devotion and they do follow all traditions. There is an opportunity of visiting temple virtually through their live stream if you are unable to visit. If you are planning to visit Taos and you are nearby, please take donations like rice, curry leaves, green chilies, tur dal, etc. because Taos doesn't have an Indian store nearby. So here ends the trip. Thank you so much. Jai Siya Ram. Peace be to all. Take care and stay safe.